Here's an example of how to use events related to office openings or opening a new facility for companies. Let's say you're selling hardware or software or services that help companies when they open a new office. What we can do is we can go into the events feed and we can, let's say, we'll just look at the last 90 days and we'll pick events and the categories I would select. You can look at expands facilities, expands offices in. Let's see what else is there that might be interesting here. Um, Increasing headcount sometimes can be an indication that the company is growing or expanding its office. And here's another one, opens new locations. So, okay, we'll go with that. So as you can see on the right here, we have several companies within our account list that are expanding facilities. So for example, Microsoft, obviously Microsoft's a big company. It'll have a lot of events in the last few months. But here are some smaller ones in our list. This company expands its facility in Georgia. Another one, actually the same company, actually expands into two different locations in the same month, which is a strong indication that this is a growing company. Again, if you are somebody who sells, let's say, infrastructure equipment or services related to office facilities management, networking, security, and so forth. There's a lot of different categories of companies where this type of data would be important. Here's another one, another office expansion. Here's another one that has two different announcements. One is an office expansion. The other one is a hiring increase. So this company not only is opening an office in Ireland, but they're also indicating that they're increasing their headcount. Obviously, this is a growth story. You can review the information. Let's, for instance, jump into this one. You can go right into the article, read about what it says, see if it's relevant to you and your business or service, if your product or service, and you can jump right to that company, see if we have any contacts in our system. We actually have two contacts in this case. Kevin, we have an email, LinkedIn, and then Rod Clifford in this case. We also have an email and his LinkedIn. You can create an email right on the spot. You could go review their LinkedIn, send them a LinkedIn request, and off you go.